nutrition, everything gon' work out. Baby, just focus on the mission.
Where the dollars at, bitch? Where the dollars at? Where the dollars at, bitch? Where the dollars at? Where the dollars at, bitch? Where the dollars at? Where the dollars at, bitch? Where the dollars at?
Finesse, I got 'em pull up in that lamb. They know who I am. Wanna kill me by the bitch? I got that blower, I be down. She gon' choose up. Whoa, chemo sabe, $1,500 dress shoes. What a red carpet. Got 100,000 on me right now, all honeys, and I bet my bottom dollar that your bottom bitch want me. All the internet shit, miss me with it. I don't feel you. Know some niggas out in Memphis that'll tie you up and kill you. This shit ain't about murder. This shit about some money. If you knew me like I knew myself, you would get your woman. Don't get mad at that man, cause he knock your whole nigga. Bitches will do anything when your pocket's low, nigga.
She gon' work out, crush the competition. She gon' work out, training and condition. She gon' work out, focus on nutrition. She didn't come to work out, she just outwork the competition.
Big Carvello told him send a pack at once. One take Billy, I don't have to do a punch. Look, I just ate the beat, I don't have to take a lunch. You the capping of the capping, only cap I like is crunch. See me like the rock, when you see me I'm electrifying. Yeah, only talk I do is edifying. They say preach, they say church when I'm testifying. Hear you running at the mouth, that's a lot of mileage. Grew up in the woods, 30 miles from the nearest college. Saw a pair of rebel flags, I'm not being parabolic. Parent teacher conference, they weren't okay with my swag. Wore the Malcolm X t-shirt with the AK on the back. Yeah, I came up on Taylor Gang and Taylor Swift. My hometown can show you what a racist is. They pull
land for a farm, big ass shotgun on my arm. Think about grown beans and corn.
This year I ain't playing, I'm on a mission. I don't see no competition. Waited my turn and I play my position. Sat in the room, I ain't talk, I just listen. Ain't have no motion, them bitches went follow me. Now I got these hoes tryna squalor me. In a condo in Cali, a long way from the hood, but I can't get the hood up out of me. I just found out my big homie a rat. I'm shaking my head, rolling blunts in the skin.
West side, I was sleeping in this Cadillac. 100 pounds of cushion, officers for the cataracts. I be up in Boki all the time, I swear the savage at.
Seen nothing, told him sleeve me. Heard your man got a star tatted tryna be me. I make it look easy, people say I'm crazy. Body marked up like a wall in the 80s. Speakers scream loud like the car full of babies. Chain so sick, think my charm came with rabies. All I hear these days is I think you're going overboard with it. I ain't addicted, I'm committed. It's Swizzle Man. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body. I got stars over here, little star over there. Stars everywhere, cause nigga it's star year. The name Star Power, my jewelry is star bright. The tat in my face say I'm living the star life.
Here she is. We're getting there. Put the fire on, bro. Hey, you already know what time it is. Well then, wheelies. Easy, easy, easy.
I think they mad. Pissed off just a tad. I'm living how I wanna live. Just tell them kiss my ass. Yeah, they look a little sad. Now I ain't tryna brag, but I'ma run it up like a drunk man's tab. With a smirk up on my face, sunshine in my pocket. Got the boots without the lace. Snakeskin's what I'm rocking. Got that Glock up on my waist. Oh, you better watch it, man.